I spent decades inside the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, understanding one fundamental truth about command authority. Every decision a commander makes is a message to his troops. Every order, every promotion, every disciplinary action, and yes, every pardon. So let us talk about this pardon with the honesty it deserves. Zarapina mashoko budashitoka panapa na retired Winston Skauke Mapranga pamusoro paVP Konsano Chiwenga and subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipinda pangweri mumula yuko mchinzi. A man convicted in connection with a plot to assassinate Vice President Konsano Chiwenga and whose operation reportedly in the General Senyatwe on the same elimination list has been released by President Elemenzi. I need every Zimbabwean to pause and absorb that statement. A sentence fully. This was not a pretty criminal. This was not a man convicted of financial transgression or a minor statutory offense. This was a hitman, a contracted killer whose mission, if it succeeded, would have decapitated Zimbabwe's vice presidential office and potentially altered the entire command architecture of this republic. The courts convicted him. The state prosecuted him. The evidence was presented. Justice was served. And then the president's pen undid it all. Now President Mnangagwa, yes, on various occasions suggested he is not the architect of the Constitutional Amendment Bill number 3. That CUP 3 is a party process, that he does not personally drive the agenda to extend his own tenure and remove term limits protections. I am a soldier. I deal in evidence, not sentiment. The pardon is evidence. You do not pardon a man convicted in connection with a plot to kill your Vice President General Konsano Chiwenga unless one of the following is true. Either you no longer regard that Vice President Chiwenga as someone deserving of the full protection of the state, or you are sending a deliberate signal to those who share that view that their actions carry manageable consequences. Either conclusion is alarming. Either conclusion demands a press conference, not a statement through a spokesperson, not a tweet from the information ministry. A press conference, cameras, microphones, journalists, and the president was Zimbabwe speaking for himself. Tell the nation why that pardon was signed. Ndoba developments are pangwa ine atugonot general pangwa ine aiwa vakayas kuzara ni hasha ni shungu ezvitiko zviriitika muruling party ZANU-PF. In the comment section, videos of fundo inyi muri kudipa muzepe chitiko ichi. Uzana subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.